Hello. So an update on the trade that I promised for silver. Basically, let's go back to the beginning. Bias was bullish from the daily get-go. The reason being there was no CSD. This did happen, but um, when I woke up around, I think this, yeah, 6 o'clock time, this CSD was violated and went up. We were waiting for price to tap into it, which it did at 10 o'clock, right? This fair value gap. From the fair value gap, what we noticed was that price went up, right? This was my breaker block, of course. This breaker block. Um, Price went into it. Forgot to mark it as the unicorn that I usually do. There was this FUG, which you can see price beautifully respected after it closed above the market structure shift. Went up, 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 up. Quite a good rally. Now, this is the important bit, right? It almost very, very, very closely came. So it was around 1.96 before it right down, and then it got back up. So this was the last time. The thing is, because I was outside, I wasn't able to close it before the time, so that's why it closed automatically, which is a good thing. So on 55, before this 6 o'clock candle, when the market closed, my trade closed as well, right? So my trade closed at, I'm going to assume that it was the opening price over here, so it was 1.88. So 1.88 hours, right? I made. And yeah, the reason being now, another thing I was more hesitant about was the fact that it didn't displace immediately. It tapped into it, but luckily it didn't close this gap fully, right? It went up, didn't close this fully. This is when it finally closed it, and it rivaled up, which again I'm happy about. I was part of the movement, secured a trade. Still pissed about Monday because I would have been very close to my trading goal if I had gotten that, right? Um, but happens anyways. New day tomorrow, and let's see what tomorrow brings then.